welcome to the 5th race of the season. We are here at Bristol. We're finally back for the spring race here at Bristol. And here today, there will be no practice or qualifying. It has been rained out, sadly. It's been a little bit since the last race, but we are back. And as you can tell by the front, I got to the left, I got a new hauler. The 91 of it got Kimi Räikkönen's hauler. Yeah, that will be a new addition. And then I got a few other cars. I got Daniel Suarez and Ross Chastain's jockey car. Only Suarez will be racing in the jockey car here today. And then I got Chase Briscoe and Ricky Stenhouse Jr.'s 2023 cars. I got Chase Briscoe's Rush Truck Center's car, and then Ricky Stenhouse Jr.'s Daytona 500 win car. So yeah, they will be the same results as I finished last week. And yeah, let's get right into it. And run number 1 here is Martin Truex Jr., Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Bubba Wallace, and Sheldon Creed. Then run number 2 is Chase Briscoe, Joey Logano, Tyler Reddick, and Ty Gibbs. And then number 3 is Kyle Busch and Todd Gilliland. We're underway. Let's see here. And Martin Truex Jr. what goes over the top, but we will see where he will finish. So Sheldon Creed is 10th. 9th is Ty Gibbs. 8th is Todd Gilliland. 7th is Kyle Busch. 6th. Oh wow, that's close. 6th is Tyler Reddick. 5th is Logano. 4th is Martin Truex. 3rd is Bubba Wallace. 2nd is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and 1st is Chase Briscoe. Two new cars will advance to the next round, being Chase Briscoe and Ricky Stenhouse. Here in group number 2, or group B, is Ross Chastain, Eric Jones, Kaz Grala, and Eric Almirola in row number 1. Row number 2 is Chris Buescher, John Hunter Nemechek, Carson Hocevar, and Zane Smith. And then row number 3 is Christopher Bell and Jimmie Johnson. I also forgot to mention, I got a Christopher Bell DeWalt 2023 car as well. So yeah, that is your starting lineup, and we're underway here in Group B. Oh no! Zane Smith. Huge hit. Into the wall goes Zane Smith. Hard. And Zane Smith will come in 10th with a huge impact to the inside wall. Buescher will come in 9th. 8th is going to be Christopher Bell. 7th is Jimmie Johnson. 6th is John Hunter Nemechek. 5th is Carson Hocevar. 4th is Eric Jones. 3rd is Kaz Grala. 2nd is Ross Chastain. And 1st is Noah Gragson. In the 10, got to mention that if you were new here, this is the 2024 lineup, like roster lineup. I don't have like every car, but the cars that I do not have, I subbed in for like other cars. So Zane Smith, he will be driving the 71 in real life, but in this series, he's driving the 44. And then in group C here is Austin Dillon, Riley Herbst, Harrison Burton, and Kyle Larson here in row number 1. Row number 2 is Josh Berry, AJ Allmendinger, Shane Van Gisbergen, and Alex Bowman. And then number 3 is Daniel Hemrick and Denny Hamlin. We're underway here in Group C. And let's see here. Alex Bowman, not the race he wanted to see. Alex Bowman will come in 10th. 9th is going to be Denny Hamlin. 8th is Kyle Larson. 7th is Shane Van Gisbergen. 6th is Daniel Hemrick. 5th is Harrison Burton. 4th is Josh Berry. 3rd is going to be, wow, it's close. 3rd is AJ Allmendinger. 2nd is Austin Dillon, and 1st is Riley Herbst. And those two started 1st and 2nd, and they will finish 1st and 2nd here. And here we are in Group D. And runner number 1 is William Byron, Austin Cindric, Chase Elliott, and Ryan Preece. Runner number 2 is Daniel Suarez, Corey LaJoie, Brad Keselowski, and Ryan Blaney. And number 3 is Michael McDowell, the points leader. We're underway here in Group D. This has been a pretty fun one so far here at Bristol. And LaJoie is going to come in 9th. 8th is going to be McDowell. That's not what he wanted to see at all. Michael McDowell's had a rough couple of races, being last week finishing dead last, and now this week only getting up 2 positions. Terrible for Michael McDowell. Terrible luck. 7th is going to be Daniel Suarez in his new jockey Chevrolet. Actually, no. 7th is going to be Brad Keselowski. 6th is going to be Daniel Suarez. 5th is going to be Ryan Blaney. 4th is William Byron. No, 5th is William Byron. 4th is Austin Cindric. No, 3rd is Austin Cindric. My bad. I'm just mixing up the numbers. 2nd's Chase Elliott, and 1st is Ryan Preece. These 2 cars being like 2 positions. Chase Elliott being 17th on the bubble, and like below the bubble, and then Preece being 19th below the bubble. This will really help them out huge in the points, because now they both have a shot of winning here today. And Ricky Stenhouse Jr., he would be the points leader if it wasn't for the wins. Because whoever has the most points with a win is technically the points leader. But without wins, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. will be the points leader and is able to add on to that points lead here today. But anyways, here's your starting lineup. And runner number 1 is Chase Briscoe, Eric Almirola. No, Chase Briscoe, Noah Gragson. Austin Dillon, Ryan Preece. And runner number 1. And runner number 2 is Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Ross Chastain, Riley Herbst, and Chase Elliott. We're underway here for 2 laps in the final round here in Bristol. Oh, I think we have a crash for the first time today. Oh, and it's Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. will DNF. But that will not hurt him too much since there's only 8 cars. So he'll finish 8th. This won't be the finishing results because there is 2 laps. But 7th is Noah Gragson. 6th is Chase Briscoe. 5th is Riley Herbst. 4th is Ross Chastain. 3rd is Chase Elliott. 2nd is Ryan Preece. And 1st is Austin Dillon. Austin Dillon has led every lap so far he has run. Can Austin Dillon finally get back to victory lane and win his 2nd career win? And get his 2nd career win, my bad. Austin Dillon has been hungry for one. He has been hungry. Austin Dillon looking for his 2nd win. Ryan Preece, I think he had 2 last season, or was that Cole Custer? I think it was Cole Custer. No, I think it was Ryan Preece. He almost had 2. He had 2 second place finishes and 1 first. Chase Elliott, 3-time winner. Who will win? Austin Dillon, Ryan Preece, Chase Elliott, Ross Chastain, row 1. Row 2 is Riley Herbst, Chase Briscoe, and Noah Gragson. We're underway here for the final lap here in the spring Bristol race. Oh no! Noah Gragson will not go to victory lane here today. Noah Gragson will finish 7th. 6th will be Riley Herbst. 5th is Austin Dillon. 4th is Ross Chastain. 3rd is Ryan Preece. 2nd is Chase Briscoe. And Chase Elliott will become a 5-time winner. He will win here at Bristol. Wow. Chase Elliott, 5 times he has gone to victory lane. And it has been in many different paint schemes. But Chase Elliott will win in his Darlington Napa throwback. Wow. Chase Elliott will beat out 2 hard-charging Stewart-Haas Ford Mustangs, as they had 3 of them in this group, being Noah Gragson, Ryan Preece, and Chase Briscoe. And Josh Berry didn't do so bad here today either. He finished 4th in Group C. Wow. I cannot believe it. Chase Elliott has become a 5-time winner, and that means he is advanced into the playoffs. We will see you guys for race 6. Goodbye.